So, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So, good morning, everyone. It is morning time, and I have come for morning work. I know I am busy every single day, but I also manage time for morning work. And morning exercise is most important for our body. We need morning exercise. By morning exercise, we can heal our body, we can find a good health because good health depend on your exercise, on your food, on your mental thought. So every single day, come for morning exercise and eat something good things and take care about your thoughts. Your thoughts can destroy you. Your thoughts can build you. Be careful. Thank you.